Today, I am following Alpha Company 2 of the 147 as they conduct day aerial gunnery. The crew chiefs will qualify with their M240 Hotel. This is to maintain their proficiency with a number of skill sets if they were to be deployed. The M240 Hotel is used as an area suppression weapon to defend themselves and keep the helicopter safe and allowing the pilots to maneuver out of harm's way.
Pull your charging handle, right down, get this pin out of the way.
The crew will first convert the weapon system from ground to air mode and mount it into the aircraft.
Flip the top, open this, bring your rounds up and in.
Yep.
It's gonna sit there. I don't want to load it right now.
Right.
Close the tray.
Shut that.
Close that. Pull your charging handle, and you're ready to go.
Okay.
Once in the air, they need to demonstrate the understanding of commands for the state of the weapon to ensure safe operations of the system. Weapon stoppage will occur several times, and the crew chief will have to conduct immediate action to keep the weapon system operational during flight. After both gunners are evaluated, the helicopter returns to swap crew chiefs, weapons, and resupply ammunition. This cycle continues until everyone in the company has been graded. Reporting for the 34th Combat Aviation Brigade, I'm Sergeant Rickard.